Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to move table anywhere in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to move table anywhere in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then firstly insert a table. Click the table drop down menu. Now we can see here cells, columns and rows. Now we click the insert table option. Then choose the number of rows and number of columns. You can increase this rows, otherwise you can increase the columns. Then click OK. Now we can see here we insert a table very easily. Now we want to move this table anywhere. Click the table top and show the icon. Then click and drag on our mouse. Then move anywhere this table. You can see we move this table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.